A heart-filled aspiration is all that we know since the very existence of the school, and that what gave us ambition of marching forward till excellence is achieved in all our endeavors. Now it's time to call our beloved principal, Mr. J. James Shinto, to read our annual report.
Respected dignitaries of the dais, parents, teachers, and my dear lovable kids. Happy evening, one and all. Happy evening. Happy evening, my dear kids. Happy evening. May peace and blessings be upon you in the name of God Almighty. He is the most benevolent and the most compassionate. Let I start my annual report. Inauguration ceremony celebrated on June 3rd with grand holy mass and with parents. We started our school with 114 students, 12 teaching staffs and 3 non-teaching staff. We are having good infrastructure with green environment to nurture the nature. We are providing small class facilities, computer lab facilities, science lab and library to enhance students' knowledge. In order to improve students' physical skill, we are providing sports room which contains all the sports equipments like football, volleyball, handball, basketball, carom, chess, hurdles, cricket, discus throw, javelin throw, shot put, badminton, etc. We are providing extracurricular activities like taekwondo, silambam, classical dance, vocal, yoga, with well-trained coaches whom we recruited from outside. To improve our students' communication skill, we are having spoken English class which is based on ESL activities to grasp easily. On the very next month, 6/7/2019, our student Joshara got 2 gold medals in athletics organized by Real Sports Academy at Chetpakkam Stadium, Chennai. First and foremost celebration was Green Day celebration on 26/2019, which we started with our backbone, that is KG children. Every Monday, we are conducting assembly with flag hoisting. The first flag hoisted for our school was the former scientist of ISRO, Dr. Subramaniam, Dean, the Raja's group of institutions. On August 11, 2019, our students gave 10 minutes dance performance to Holy Family Church Festival at Vadakankulam. For that performance, our children were greeted with gifts. On August 15, 2019, we celebrated Independence Day in a grand manner. In order to make this celebration more precious, and Honorable Chairman, Mr. Dr. S.A. Joy Raja and his wife, Mrs. Juno Joy Raja, Director of the Raja's International School, and as a chief guest, Mr. Balakrishnan, the Principal of the Indian Polytechnic College, gave speech about the importance of Independence Day. Cleanliness is the most important than anything. In order to improve our students' cleanliness, we celebrated Brushing Day on August 29, 2019. In that, our students learned to brush in joyful manner. In the same month, our students got opportunity to meet the great NASA astronaut, Dr. Donald A. Thomas. He is a colleague of Kalpana Chawla, Our students' doubts were cleared by asking questions directly to the astronaut. Teaching is a gifted work by God. Teachers are the second parents of the children. So, we are celebrating Teachers' Day on September 5th for giving thanks to the teachers. In order to appreciate their dedication, to make more happier on this occasion, our teachers were performed on the stage. To prove our students' sports talent, they participated in inter-club competition at the Green Valley International School, and our students achieved 12 medals, that is 2 gold, 7 silver, 3 bronze in Taekwondo competition and September 11, 2019. Spiritual things will lead to success. Without God's grace, we can't achieve in a great manner. In order to great blessings from the goddesses of education, Saraswati, we conducted Saraswati Puja celebration on October 8, 2019. And the new buds of our school started their first letter writing in Paddy by sitting on the chairman's lap. This makes that occasion more happier. Who you are is not needed. What you achieved in your life is needed. We, the staff of the Indian Matriculate School, stimulates students with a competition of 300 students in the name of TIMS ICANN 2019 on October 12. It created a great platform to students to enhance their skills. Health is wealth. Nowadays, due to modern technology, students forget to take care of their health. In order to control this, we distribute healthy drink and Nilavembu Kasayam from Tamil Nadu Government Health Care Center on October 23rd, 2019. Learning is important, but learning in stressless manner is more important than that. In order to create a joyful learning, we had a wonderful trip to Trivandrum for the visit of planetarium, zoo and museum. For the flowers, how birds are important. Like that, for our teens, kindergarten is more important. They have to learn joyful manner and they must know about nature. In order to know more, we went to Kuntankulam Bird Sanctuary and they saw varieties of birds on November 8, 2019. Children's Day is celebrated on different days in many places across the world. But in TIMS, we celebrated our first Children's Day on November 14, 2019 in a grand manner with fancy dress competition, dance competition and Think It and Bite competition. The students learned about Jawaharlal Nehru in neat manner and his greatness. Not only in academic side, we are achieving equal to this, we achieved in sports also. On December 8, 2019, our students got 3 gold medals, 4 silver medals, 2 bronze medals in Silambam competition at SLB School, Nagarkoil. For a building, how basement is strong, like that for a school, management have to be important. TIMS is very lucky for that, because our management will concentrate on us in order to make us happy by giving the grand Xmas treat on December 21st, 2019 with the gifts. In that program, our teachers sing song in 5 different languages including Latin. On December 23rd, 2019, the TIMS celebrated Christmas by keep Christmas crib and we provided lunch for the students and we conducted some games, cook without fire, balloon game to make our students more happy. We distribute the prize for the winners and runners to encourage them. Unity is strength. In our TIMS, not only the teachers are united and also the parents were more united and they proved their unity by preparing Pongal at the Samattuva Pongal competition. And we gave winner and runner-up prize. And for all the competitions, we gave participants prize on January 10, 2020. We proved our unity at the first month of New Year. On February 1st, 2020, our students have also participated in Dyagi Ilango Memorial Inter-School Competition organized by Comarin International School. They achieved 4 first prize, 4 second prize, and 2 third prize. We hunted of talent in the name of Talent Hunt 2020. At the same month, our students proved their sports talent by getting 2 silver medals and 2 bronze medals in state level Nadasari Silambam competition at Arulvaimozhi MET Engineering College on February 23rd, 2020. Regarding annual day, Renaissance 2020, we conducted sports dinner and arts dinner in our school campus on February 12 and February 18. Our Timsians proved their talents by participating in all the competitions. Now my question is, which one is the biggest achievement you feel? Which one is the biggest achievement of Tims? Can you guess? I didn't write this here. The biggest achievement is when we started the school. When a parent got admission from here, he asked me the first question, whether this building is new. The second question, will you give better education to my child? That parent came to me nearly 5 times and asking thousands of questions. Sir, please, shall I get TC from here? After joining, he felt like this. Whether you will give quality education to my kid. And the biggest achievement is that the same person, in the last week, he met me and said, near my home, there is 8 children. In the next academic year, I will make them to join here. Can you understand? இந்த ஸ்கூல் தரமா இருக்கான்னு கேட்ட அதே பேரண்ட், இந்த ஸ்கூலில் என் பிள்ளைக்கு தரமான எஜுகேஷன் கிடைக்குமான்னு கேட்ட அதே பேரண்ட் போன வாரம் என்னை சந்திச்சப்போ எங்கள் வீட்டு பக்கத்தில் 8 பிள்ளைங்க இருக்கிறாங்க, இந்த 8 பிள்ளைங்களையும் நெக்ஸ்ட் அகாடமிக் இயரில் இந்த ஸ்கூலில் சேர்க்க போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. திஸ் இஸ் த வெரி பிக்கஸ்ட் அச்சீவ்மெண்ட் ஐ ஃபெல்ட் ஃப்ரம் டிம்ஸ். I thank all the parents, teachers, well-wishers, and chief guest once again and conclude my report. Thank you.
This report is comprised of the achievements made during the year gone by and at the same time set the path of greater accomplishment in the years to come. Thank you for your annual report, sir.